Hey folks, this is a pretty unusual occurrence here on our homestead. We've had 3 days of rain off and on. Normally we don't have rain until the monsoons, which doesn't usually happen until in July. We're in May and we've had a fair amount of rain. It's not terribly much, but it does create a few issues. I'm going out to check the straw bales. Now the straw bales should be just perfectly fine with the rain. I don't think I'll need to water them today. So let's go take a look at them. Now these straw bales have been going through the conditioning process now for about 14 days. They're softening up. They're starting to smell earthy. And they're doing pretty well. Now I do have one bale that seems to be resistant to starting the decomposition process. We'll keep on working on it. We're about 1 week away from being able to start planting these bales up with our tomatoes and a few other plants. We're looking forward to the results. Let's go take a quick look at some of what we know about these bales. Now we do have some trash in this straw. What you see here in white is actually pieces of cotton boll. And there's some pieces of sticks in it as well. It's not particularly good straw, but I think it's going to be good enough for our purposes. What you see here are the remains of some mushrooms that came up out of this bale. Now mushrooms are perfectly fine. It just means that the composting process is underway. And as you can see, there's even more cotton in this bale right here. We're looking forward to growing food in these bales this summer. And I'm going to have to run because it's starting to rain. While I'm here, the broad beans are doing very, very well. Just a few days ago, they were barely up. And as you can see, they have true leaves growing now. The rhubarb is doing great. It's doing better this year than it has before. And Irene's explosion of flower seeds are really growing and taking off. Time to run.